Hey everyone, this is Kim Waters, and today I will be demonstrating the count and sum functions in SQL. During this demonstration, I'll be using the Colonial database as well as the trip table. Because I want to see all of the data in the trips table, I'm going to select asterisk from trip and then execute the query. All of that data is now displayed, and so I'm going to move it up so I can get a better look at it. The left column tells me that there are many rows, and I'm curious as to how much distance is actually combined with all of those rows. So I'm going to count all of those rows by using the count function, left parentheses, asterisk, right parentheses, and I want to name that column as total trips, and I want to sum how much distance all of the trips add up to by doing sum distance as total distance and then executing the query. As you can see, there are 41 rows and 408 total distance. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.